How to mask in Davinci Resolve. So here I have some example footage that I'm gonna use. And let's say I want to mask this rock. Let's say I want some text to go from behind this rock to here, for example. So how am I gonna do that is by getting some text right here. It can be some random text, it doesn't really matter what it is. So now what you wanna do is select this footage right here, copy it, paste it right here, and just drag it on top like that. And then go to color while having the clip selected, the one that you copied, and then go to this tool right here and then grab whichever tool you want. Now if you grab a circle, for example, let's do that. Your mask is basically gonna be a circle. So let's select this pen tool, and it's not gonna be perfect. Let's do that. And you don't have to do the whole rock. All you need to do is cover up the space where the text will be. Once you've done that, you have to right click here and then add an alpha output. This is basically the transparency behind the mask. Everything outside of the mask will be transparent. So all you need to do is connect this blue with here. And there you go. We can now go back to the edit. Let's make this window bigger. So now let's put this text right here. Let's do that. Let's go here. Grab the text. Let's go there. And there you go. That is the mask doing its thing. And that's how to add a mask in Davinci Resolve. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.